Nurses, stop. Do not quit nursing yet, unless you want to make starting your concierge nursing business 10 times harder. If you're trying to start a concierge nursing practice but are worried about losing your stable income and you're wondering, do I have to quit my job first? The answer is no. And this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a safe transition plan to concierge nursing and the exact signs that tell you when it's actually smart to leave your job. And quick note, you can download my free Freedom Starter Kit or get the Nurse Unchained system on my website. See the description for more information so you're not trying to figure this out alone. They'll help you take the first steps with clarity, not confusion. No rush. No, you're not behind. You're just building your next level on purpose. My objectives for this video are threefold. First is to help you reduce fear. Because for many nurses, venturing away from the corporate world can be nerve-wracking. Second, to provide a clear 3-phase transition plan. And finally, to define quit triggers using specific numbers and safety checks. Remember, you can build this without burning out or blowing up your income. If you're not currently working, even better, you'll be able to move faster. The number one mistake nurses make. Here's what I see all the time. Nurses quit too early because they're emotionally done, and I get it. But then the financial pressure hits, and when pressure hits, boundaries get weak. Suddenly, you're underpricing, overworking, saying yes too fast, and dealing with clients you don't even want because you need the money. Then you start questioning yourself. Or the other mistake is waiting forever until you feel 100% ready. And that moment rarely comes. You want certainty, but certainty doesn't come first. Momentum does. Today, let's do the smart middle path. Keep your income while you build a business that can actually hold you. The 3 phases. Think of this in 3 phases. Super simple. Phase 1. You start building while still employed. Put aside 2 to 6 hours a week to work on this business. Small, controlled effort each week. Not hustle. Just steady progress. So you're not betting your life on day 1. Your goal here is confidence, clarity, and getting your first client. In phase 2, you start replacing part of your income. Not your whole paycheck at first. Just a consistent chunk. Because consistency is the proof. Start getting predictable clients. Not random one-offs. Predictable. And in phase 3, you exit only when the numbers, cash, clients, capacity, and the lifestyle are stable enough that you're not gambling. And that's how you leave nursing with peace, not when you're fed up. No panic math. Let's do some simple math. No spreadsheets required. Step 1. What does it cost to be you for 1 month? Not luxury, just the basics. Rent or mortgage, food, gas, minimum bills, childcare, your real life. Just the baseline. Step 2. Pick a starter income target, and I need you to hear me. You don't have to replace your whole paycheck at first. Your first win is replacing a piece of it consistently, because consistency proves this is real. It proves demand. And here's the trap. 1 good month can make you feel ready, but 1 good month just means you had a good month. What we're looking for is repeatable, something you can count on, not something you got lucky with. Quit triggers, the 5 signals. Now, let's talk about when it's actually smart to quit. Not when you're tired, not when your manager got on your nerves. I mean real signals, like when a pilot checks all his instruments before taking off. 1 is consistency. You're hitting your target for multiple months, not just 1. 2 is runway. You've got a cushion. So if business slows down for a month, you're not panicking. 3, lead flow. You're not relying on 1 friend, 1 viral post, or 1 lucky referral. You have a way that people keep finding you. 4 is operations. Your scheduling, communication, and boundaries can handle clients without you falling apart. And 5 is safety. You're not exhausted. You can actually provide care calmly, ethically, and with your full brain online. If those 5 aren't there yet, you should not quit. You keep on building. That's not discouraging. That's how you protect your peace and your license. Protect your job and protect your license. 2 things are non-negotiable while you're building. Protect your job and protect your license. Because when you're working and building at the same time, fatigue becomes your biggest risk. And nurses don't make their worst decisions when they are uneducated. We make them when we are tired. And I'm going to say this plainly. Side income can tempt you into doing things you wouldn't normally do, stretching scope, saying yes too fast, skipping steps. Don't. Stay within what you can defend clinically and professionally. This is why I teach nurses to build in a way that's stable and ethical, not chaotic. Build it in a way that still feels like nursing, just on your terms. Realistic timeline. Let me give you a realistic timeline so you don't feel behind. For weeks 1 to 4, you're laying the foundation and starting conversations. Not begging, just letting people know what you do and who you help. Weeks 5 to 12, you start seeing what people actually want from you. You refine, you get better, and demand becomes more consistent. After 90 days, that's when you can make a serious decision based on your triggers, not based on burnout or desperation. And yes, some nurses move faster, but fast isn't the goal. Repeatable is, because repeatable is what pays you when life happens. All right, here's the bottom line. You don't need to quit your job to start concierge nursing. You need a plan that protects your income, your energy, and your license. If you want the full step-by-step, what to set up, what to say, what to avoid, and how to do this safely, that's inside the Nurse Unchained books. This video is the map. The books are the blueprints, but for right now, download the free starter kit on my website, see info in the description, and comment transition. If you want me to reply with the first move, you should focus on based on where you are right now. Nurse. You don't have to leave nursing to be free. You just need a strategy that finally puts your license, your life, and your future first.